welcome back after the break. Right now we're at the backstage of this auction which just ended. আমরা এখন কথা বলবো আমাদের টিম ওনারদের সাথে and right now we have with us the owner of Barishal Banners, Mr. Azim. Hi. So, this auction is over. So much drama, so much suspense. What do you have to say? Exactly the way you guys have planned. Has it turned out to be like that?
As I said, suspense and funner part of it, I think there is no complaints. I think it was very fun. And if you talk about planning, I think it was, planning moto যতটুকু আমরা করতে চেষ্টা করেছি হয়েছে, I think it was pretty good for us and we're pretty much happy with our team. I think it's very balanced. And rest এখন খেলার মাঠে দেখা যাবে that who can play the best cricket.
Okay, lovely. Now what I want to know, last time আপনাদের টিমে যে প্লেয়ারসরা ছিল, আমরা কি সেই ফ্যামিলিয়ার ফেসগুলো দেখতে পাচ্ছি?
হ্যাঁ, আপনি মানে আমাদের মোটামুটি যেসব ফরেন প্লেয়ার্স ছিল মোরলেস দেয়ার আই থিঙ্ক রাদার দেন ওয়ান অর টু লোকাল প্লেয়ার্স কিছু চেঞ্জেস হয়েছে প্লাস যারা ভালো খেলেছে তারা ইজ অলওয়েজ দেয়ার প্লাস আমাদের কিছু নতুন ফরেন প্লেয়ার্স এসেছে যেমন নারায়ণ ইজ ইন আওয়ার টিম, আজমল ইজ ইন দ্য টিম, দেন ওমর গুল ইজ ইন দ্য টিম, Kamran Akmal is in the team. So I think foreign Brad Hodge is back in the team. যেটা সে আগে আরো খেলেছে like Phil Mustard, he's also back in the team. Local players এর মধ্যে আমরা কিছু ভালো প্লেয়ার্স রেখেছি, কিছু পারিনি, but as you know it's auction but we had the plan, so that which I think we're very happy with it.
So far it sounds such a strong team. Now what I will ask you is এমন একটা প্লেয়ার in Nambolen যাকে আপনারা উইশ করেছিলেন if only you had him.
We wished for Barishal Banners to become the champion. That's the only wish we have at this point of time. All the players will combinely help us to become the champion. Baki Allah ichha jeta hoy inshallah.
Well, Mr. Azim, thank you so much. We wish you all the best. Well, that was it, but we have rest of the owners lined up with us to be talked about. And right now we have the champion Dhaka Gladiators owner with us. Hello, sir.
Yeah, how are you? Thank you.
I would like to introduce you, but
This is Salim Chaudhary and you know I'm the last year champion in Dhaka Gladiators.
I wanted to hear it from you. So how does it feel? You know, do you think you're in a safe zone because you guys were the champion last year?
Actually, this is the T20 cricket. You cannot say there always is a safe zone, but we try our best to, as per our plan, we set up a good team, I think so. And we hope we retain our title.
We hope so. Now, there's a new team, Rangpur. So, Rangpur Riders is with us. Do you think Rangpur ashar karone more excitement to definitely ache, but the challenge is also higher?
এটা তো অবশ্যই গতবার আমরা ছোট টিমের সাথে খেলেছি, এবার রংপুর এসছে 7 নম্বর টিম এবং তারাও সুন্দর ভালো টিম করেছে। তো এখানে তো প্রতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা যেখানে 5টা টিমের সাথে করতে হয়েছে, এবার 6টা টিমের সাথে করতে হবে, তাই কিছুটা তো প্রতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা পারবেই এবং আমি আশা করি এটা খুবই ভালোভাবে উপভোগ হবে এবং দর্শকরাও একটু বেশি খেলা দেখার সুযোগ পেল, আরো বেশি নতুন নতুন প্লেয়ার আসছে, ফরেন প্লেয়ার আসছে, তাদেরকে দেখার সুযোগ পেল, এটা ভালো, ভেরি গুড।
Well, thank you so much. My last very simple question. What do you expect from BPL 2013?
আমি বিপিএল 2013 থেকে যেটা আশা করি যে আমাদের এই খেলাটা যে দর্শকরা যত উৎসাহ নিয়ে দেখে, সেই গতবার যেভাবে ফাইনাল সেমিফাইনাল ফুল ক্রাউড হয়েছিল, আমরা আশা করি এবার আমাদের প্রতিটি খেলায় যাতে ফুল ক্রাউড থাকে এবং মাঠ ভরা দর্শক থাকে। তাদের মাঝে আমাদের এই যে এত বড় বড় খেলোয়াড়রা আসবে, যদি মাঠ ভরা দর্শক থাকে তারা উৎসাহ পাবে, আমরা খেলে আনন্দ পাবো এবং দর্শকদের মাঝে আনন্দ থাকবো। ধন্যবাদ আপনাকে।
Well, thank you so much, sir. We hope so. More entertainment, more spice, as everyone is saying. So you guys keep your eyes on, because right now we have one more representative from Khulna, and we welcome Mr. Adam to be here with us. Yeah, please come here. Hello, welcome to BBL 2013.
Thank you very much.
So the auction is over. What do you think? Exactly what you had in your mind before coming to this auction, and right now, do you feel the same way, that it has gone exactly we planned?
Not really. In fact, we have some other things in mind, but you know we are close to our dream. We planned something. We cannot say that we have fulfilled 100%, but almost we have fulfilled our dream. We have got a quite balanced team. In a reasonable budget. I think we can do better, much better.
So can I ask you a question, holding the mic in your hands? Name 2 players that you wished you had in your team.
Oh, I don't really want to comment on that. Somebody has got those. So, yes, he should be the dream for everybody. We tried for him as well. We did not get him, but this is sports. You know, we will do with our players. I think we can beat them, no problem.
Well, thank you so much. Everyone wants Shakib Al Hasan, and he just recently got married. So, congratulations. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best. And now we have another CEO and representative from Rangpur Riders. Yes, I'm sorry. You know, everything is coming so quick, I just forgot. Anyway, so getting back to the point, please welcome Mr. Duke from Rangpur Riders. I'm good. Welcome again.
Hi, how are you?
Yes.
A long day, but it's been a very interesting day, and I think we got what we wanted. We wanted Nasir from Rangpur, and it was a challenging one, but I think we got some very good players with us. And I think Rangpur will have a wonderful ride in this game, and we will definitely have a fighting chance to go all the way, but we'll play as a good sportsman and with a true spirit of game. And I think we'll keep a lot of new stuff, a lot of surprises and challenges and some fun in the overall process of BPL. Yeah, we'll make it exciting.
You are very excited, aren't you? So what do you look forward? What do you think you have better than the other team?
What we'd like to add is not just the game itself, it's the spirit, it's the recreation, it's the entertainment. I think that this country needs a lot more entertainment, which entire family can attend to. So we'll make sure we bring some global stars and do some good entertainment along with the cricket game, so that people really enjoy cricket and have some good fun as well.
Thank you so much, Duke, and this is the first time we wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. Wow, that was Rangpur, the new team that has joined the 6th team. And now we have with us the representative of Duranta Rajshahi, Mr. Rahman. Welcome, sir, please.
Thank you very much. Good evening. Mr. Shamim.
Mr. Shamim Iqbal, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so everything is over. Everything is over. How does it feel? Yeah, that's the beginning. It's like, you know, the ending of a new beginning. Okay, so how does it feel?
Yeah, absolutely good. You know, just we have to be ready for field.
Okay, so everything is planned, just ready for the challenge.
Yeah, like I said, you know, this is the beginning for me. This is a new season. I just got involved. I hope it'll be interesting. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, so if I ask, is there any cricket player that you thought you guys could have? আমি সবাইকে কোয়েশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করছি, so please don't tell me Shakib Al Hasan, he's gone. So next, who is the player?
The player business is Mr. Mushfiq. Mohan Bhai is going to answer this question.
The thing is that I'm happy with my players, and you know, some other good player could be on board. That could be much better. But what have right now in my hand, I'm very happy. I need to make them, and I need to boost up them. That's it. I'm really happy.
Well, thank you so much, and we wish you all the very best for the field work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Well, that was it. We have more honors, and we are going to interview who we have. And right now, I can see we have with us Ahad Bhai from Sylhet Royals. Hello. Welcome. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Well, I'm good. You look so happy. Everything has been the way you planned?
Yeah, more or less. Nothing always goes exactly to plan, but I think overall it was a good day. It was a lot of fun, and we're looking forward to a good tournament.
You know, it was quite a lengthy auction. And we have been noticing you and your team member, we are very tensed, thinking so many things. Now, we want to know what you were thinking.
We were thinking which players we would end up with and how much money we would have to end up spending. And how much money the other teams would end up spending.
Do you think your money has been put to good use?
I hope so, but we'll know once the tournament starts.
Okay, so this new team, we have Rangpur with us, more matches, more challenges. So what do you think? Rangpur coming to join you, this 6 of the other team, will be any differences?
Well, it means that the players are spread out, but it brings more competition, so I welcome them. I hope that
we performed better than we did last year. Maybe they'll come number 7 this year.
Definitely. And the last.
I'm just joking. I wish them all the best.
Yeah, here's the smart. Okay, the last question to Ahad Bhai. What was the question? Okay, give me a question that you want me to ask. Tell me, what is the question?
I have no questions that I want you to ask me. Anything you ask me, I'm happy to answer.
No, whenever I go for an interview, I always wish, please ask me that question. I'm sure you have one.
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay, anyway, thank you so much, Ahad.
I might have some questions for you though.
One question, please do.
No, I'm just joking. I'll ask you later.
Come on, giving you a chance, ask me a question.
Who's your favorite player?
We will answer that later.
What? You can ask me a question that I can ask you.
Well,
Let me ask you another question. Which team are you supporting this year?
Well, you know, today's the first day of BPL 2013. Let me know all of them, then I will decide, you know, which side I can go.
If you support Silat, we have tickets for you every game.
I can support you guys as well. You know, let's see. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Wow. My, oh my, what a day. So many ups and downs. There are some great teams who are ecstatic with all the outstanding players they got. And we have some teams, they are completely despondent because they didn't get the coveted players that they wanted. But anyway, this is about 2013 BPL auction, and we promise you more drama, more entertainment, more gossip for this auction. And before we go our next section, let's take a small short break, and I'll be back with you, Alisha Pradhan.